All right, welcome to Skim. Skim is basically, in my opinion, the first ever search tool for videos, specifically YouTube videos. This is what we started with. This is the launch of our beta version. And what we do is that we're able to allow users to search through meaning rather than through keywords. So let me show you how it works. When you download the extension, the Skim extension here, obviously you have this pop-up. We're going to get rid of that. It's just something we have in our beta. But more importantly, you get this widget here, Skim this video. So they're talking about a lot of topics in this podcast, for example. Some famous YouTuber, Sneeko.
So bam, that's
So they're talking about a lot of things,
number
right?
two,
Let's say you want to go to a specific part of the video, but you want to search through meaning. So maybe you want to see how to make money in today's world. Then you enter. What you get is a bunch of kind of snippets within the video that talk about that topic. So this is one.
That's actually funny. Most people are like,
So prioritizing that and like get involved in this capitalistic world. I can't live in this idealistic world where you can just watching this. You got to realize that the richest people in the world, they don't use social media for fun. They don't use it.
So it was able to capture the idea of the query that you sent, right? So because we said in today's world, he started talking about social media. So it gives you kind of the top 5 queries. You can even search for things. This is kind of funny because they talk about weird topics in this video. If you search for it, let's try this. Now this word isn't even in any of the phrases, right, that they mentioned, but the meaning alone, if you see here, talk about arranged marriages. If you press this one, for example,
cousin. But like, there's no relation.
Back in the day, it used to be like you could do a cousin or whatever. Obviously, hell no, not now. But
so the word itself isn't mentioned, right, but the meaning is derived, and it's able to get you to those specific parts.
Divorce rate for an arranged marriage.
You can try this for educational videos as well, not just podcasts. So this is a deep learning crash course.
They're very steep.
Talk about sigmoid functions, so you could go skim this video. So what are the real life use cases of deep learning? And then you can go to specific parts.
World champion at Go, a game a Google more times complex than chess.
So talk about self-driving
The
cars.
deep learning can do more than just betas at board games. It finds applications anywhere from self-driving vehicles
It gives you other things.
games. But because of these at their own games, it works in the next video. So why deep learning a few decades ago?
Improved hardware architecture. So whenever I press on a specific snippet, it sends me to that snippet.
A few decades ago.
And those are the most relevant results where he mentions the use cases of deep learning. So that's kind of the use case for Skim. Now, something else I wanted to mention is the videos we saw before were already cached. So basically they're already in our database because maybe a user searched for it before, or maybe you searched for it before. But let's say there's a video that's not in our database, right? So you're the first user on the Skim extension that has searched for this video. Now in that case, it might take some time, right? Because we're processing the video for the first time. So let's say this video, for example, podcast, let's say fighting Jake Paul, and you want to go to that topic. It might take some time, but the nice thing about this is that you can still watch the video meanwhile, right? So even whilst they're talking and they're searching and we're searching, you can still watch the video, since this add-on and the widget is like it's not stopping the video, it's not interfering with anything. And then once it's done, once you get results here where they talk about fighting and boxing.
This is your moment. Like, don't suggest other guys.
See how they mention?
It don't even make sense you fight me. But you know who also did lose an opponent?
Yes, I know, Jake Paul. I know.
So yeah, and also the nice thing is you could also, since it's already parsed and it's already in the database, so this video from now on, if you search for it, you'll get results in a matter of seconds. And if another user searches for it, they also don't have to go through the hassle again of like 10-15 seconds of waiting. But it's just a one-time thing. So I think that's fine. You can hide results. So another bug I wanted to mention is, it's not really a bug, but sometimes if you don't get the widget for a YouTube video, what you could do is just refresh the video, and then it just pops up, right? Because sometimes it just might not be there. So we're probably going to fix that as well. But yeah, other than that, Skim beta is ready to use right now. There might be a bit of issues, but for the most part, I think it works. It's perfect. The only limitation you have is the video can't be more than 2 hours, and there needs to be subtitles. But we are working on that as well. So I hope you guys enjoy using it. Let me know what you guys think. Submit any reviews, any updates you want us to add. and we'll be there. But remember, this is a beta version, so stay easy on us. We might have a an update in the next few days, so keep an eye on that. And I hope you guys enjoy using Skim, and peace.